Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this guide will help you fix video call issues on Facebook Messenger application. So first of all, if your Messenger application is active in the background, make sure that you close the application and launch your App Store or the Play Store, whatever device you're using. Then after, click on the search bar in the top and now search for Messenger application. Once you find it, select it, and if you see an update button, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. After that, go back to Messenger and see now if you have any issues during your video call. If you're still experiencing that issue, from the settings page on the left, scroll all the way down and go to privacy and security, that is between Touch ID and passcode, and Game Center. Then select camera option, go ahead and select it, and make sure that the toggle beside the messenger is turned on. Now come back, go to microphone, and also make sure that the toggle is turned on. If you're using Android, you can set this to always on or allow when using the app. And after adjusting permissions, go back and reopen the Messenger application. Try starting a video call and it should now work correctly. The process is that simple. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.